What's up, plant lovers? So I'm here with my hellebore. I'm in Westchester, Pennsylvania, zone 6B. And so what is it? The question is, when should you be cutting away all the last year's foliage in order to allow for fresh foliage and flowers to arrive in the springtime? Well, we're in mid-February right now, and as you can see, some of this old foliage is starting to look a little bit tattered. But if you dig underneath, there you can see those are the fresh flower buds that are going to be popping their heads up soon enough. So when you start to see those fresh flower buds, that's your cue to give them a little bit of a shear back, removing all of that old foliage, and that's going to allow those fresh flowers to pop up, bloom forth, and then also allow for new foliage to regenerate. So how do you cut it back? It's super easy. Let me show you right now. We'll just take our nice sharp shears and we'll just travel down to all of the stems of that old foliage and just cut it off. Anything that looks like this we can get rid of as well. Just give it a nice cleaning. And once things start to look good again and it's flushing back out, we'll revisit so I can show you exactly what it will look like in an approximate time range situation. So you know, you cut it, when to expect it to start looking good again. All right, so we'll see you back in a couple weeks. And here we are a few weeks later. It's like magic. They just create their flowers so quickly and it's totally nice and neat and clean. None of that old dead foliage to really mar the beauty of these blooms. It's that easy. Hellebores are one of the best plants for our shadier gardens for a nice touch of color, alongside the daffodils, which are just starting to get blooming as well in my area. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give it a like, subscribe to our channel. Lots of plant-related content all over the place. Thanks for joining me here on Plant Vibrations. Catch you soon. Ciao.